So this is how you start your irrigation sprinkler system if you have a typical atmospheric vacuum breaker as like this one. Typically at our company we tape the plugs to the backflow preventer somewhere, either here or down here or up top possibly too. There's different kinds of plugs, depends on what type of a system you have. This is just a metal 3/4 inch plug. You may have a PVC plug. You may have a smaller metal plug. You also may have a spigot. Typically what we need to do to seal these things in is you need to put Teflon tape. This is basically a thread lubricant. You can add some other pipe dope to it if you'd like. Usually you want to put 4 wraps or so around your plug. This will help seal it up for you. Make sure you're wrapping it in the direction that you can thread it into the hole so it'll stay tight as you put it in. It won't unwind. So you just want to thread it into the plug. Thread the plug in. Take some type of a channel locks, vice grip, crescent wrench, pipe wrench, anything. And just snug it in. You don't need to reef on it, just snug it in really good. Plug is in. You're going to have your valves typically in this position after winterization, so you're going to see them like that. You're also going to want to check the 2 test ports on the side and make sure that the little slots are vertical. If they're not exactly vertical, they will drip. They still may drip if they're not if they have a leak to them, but make sure they're vertical. That's very important. To start your sprinkler system, you're going to want to close both valves. Close the lower, so now it's perpendicular to the valve. You're going to close the upper, so it's perpendicular to the valve. Now you're going to want to go into the house and turn on the water slowly to fill the water up to this point. So I will go do that now. Now that we have the water turned on inside the house, the water is basically filled to this point. We'll be turning this valve on slowly first. Water should come out of there a little bit. It may not, but that'll seat the valve. This is basically a one-way valve. Now that this is seat, as long as there's no water coming out of here, now you can slowly open this valve. You may need a wrench or something to help it along, or a towel. And you just want to slowly turn it on like so and let it fill. If you go too fast, now sometimes water will come out of here, but you just want to kind of turn it on slow and let it fill the entire sprinkler system. You can go find your controller if you'd like and turn on one of the zones just to kind of purge all the air out of it quicker. It's an option too. Otherwise, just let it fill until you hear the water speed slow down, and then you can open it completely forward. And that should be it as far as setting up your backflow preventer. If you have any questions, just give us a call at Aqua Pro, 952-955-3718. Thanks for watching our video.